Hello there, everyone. I'm here with another project. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Halloween, my friends, one of my favorite holidays. Halloween projects just excite me so very much. All right, so take a look at this baby. This is a Janice Freeman project. So she always brings a different flavor to things. This is no exception. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a set of books. Books, you can pick up books at anywhere, right? But these, you make them yourselves. And they're stacked and they have this gorgeous adornment at the top. You can customize this however you want, but she gave you some fabulous ideas here on how to decorate the top of your book, how to distress them, how to, do some metal work, just all sorts of fun, beautiful things. This has a really nice footprint. Oh, by the way, this is called Scary Stories. All right, Scary Stories. You can find this on the Paper Phenomenon website in the shop. Let me give you a measurement on the footprint here because it's really good. I like it a lot. 9 by 7.5 right here at the whitest part of the book. So really cute. The height on this one is 5 inches. So, well, not counting the decor. So we're looking, this is what you're looking at here when you place it on your coffee table, on your bookshelf, right? How cute would this be on a bookshelf just as a bookend? It would be gorgeous for your Halloween decor. It is very functional, all right? It's just not something pretty to look at. The two books open. This one in particular here, she thinks, a candy dish, some tchotchkes, whatever you want to put in here. If you want to put another album, you want to do a few inserts and a few shakers, whatever you want to put in here, you can. But the second compartment is where you get the mini album, and it is outstanding. I peeked already, guys. I'm sorry, not a mini album, is a folio, a mini folio. I peeked already, right? Because I wanted to do this video some justice and not fumble around with the pages. But look at how beautiful. Finished with some cute little feet, adorable, just to protect the furniture as you're sliding things along. But just really gorgeous. This is just amazing. These were all handmade. The paper that she used here is regular book paper. So let's get that straight right off the bat. So the paper that you see here, most of it is regular book paper. All you have to do to make it look like this is age it with coffee water. I believe she says, yeah, coffee water. Or if you have, spritzing things, you can do that as well. Whatever you want to use to get this look. All right, so really cute. I believe this is a stacked votive candle or the votive candle on top, and then there's something here to make it go this high. But you see all of this in the tutorial, guys. All right, the tutorial is beautifully written. It's a Paper Phenomenon tutorial, so you're not going to go wrong, okay? Absolutely not. So Scary Stories by Janice. The album has fabric. I want to say that's muslin. And then she wraps it with this fabulous twine here, finishing it off with one of the Tim Holtz keys. This is a super old Tim Holtz product, but it's ageless, guys. It's timeless. You can use it again and again and again and again. So if you can get your hands on these, every time you can get your hands on these, you should absolutely pick these up because they're fantastic. All right, so take a look at this holographic picture. How fun. So she did some sewing. There's sewing around the cover. And again, age. This is book paper. So get a book, whatever book you like. I know I'm not condoning ripping books, guys, but you are all adults. Do as you wish. So sewn, aged with coffee water, and looking fabulous. Finishing it off with this fabulous holographic picture. Look at that. How fun! So she did use a few other papers. All right, so this is the way the folio opens. She left me some little love notes so I don't screw up the folio while I'm opening it. So the paper that you see here, that's not the book paper, like for instance, this embellishment right here. This is a digital collection. Write this down, my friends. Digital collection by VintageByMe. All right, so VintageByMe, and it's called Vintage Halloween and Grunge Halloween. All right, so write this down. The paper collection is digital, and you can search Vintage by Me, and the paper collection is called Vintage Halloween and Grunge Halloween. All right, so there you have it. So really easy supplies to find. I mean, this is you're going to be able to locate these supplies, so it's not going to be one of those projects where you're looking for supplies and you can't get them, right? So it starts off with this lovely little insert, and there's several of these throughout. So I'm just going to open one, and this one opens up like so for photos, some interactions, some um, what is that? Acetate. Some acetate. So really, really cute, guys. Super easy to make. Very classic. You can take these and keep them on hand. Make these and keep them on hand for any project. All right, because they will work for almost any project. So this is a great, great design right here. Okay, and then you open this up. Let's move this beauty over. This is a trifold. Check out that matting. I love it. The crossover matting, these big images that you don't know what to do with. You just cross it over onto the page and it looks fantastic. Some more sewing. I love the sewing. I know I say I'm always going to do it, but I don't. We have some pocket cards here. I'm assuming from the vintage vintage Halloween and the grunge Halloween collections. All right, so that's probably what that is what that is from, not probably. And then this opens up like so. So we got a trifold here, right? Trifold. Let me put this back where it belongs so I won't take it out. I won't lose it. And then this opens up like so. So I already untied it. Some more love notes from Janice. So we open this up like so. So we have a really fun acetate window here. And then we've got a pocket, an envelope, excuse me. So, oh, it is a deconstructed envelope. Okay, with some room for goodies. So super cute, my friends. Really, really cute. This, if you don't want to do this tie, which I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you don't want to do it, you can also use this pocket here as your closure. All right, you can also do that. So you have two options for closures there, or you can do both. All right, depending on how many items or how many inserts you have to layer, you can consider that. All right, so I'm tying everything back because this album already has an owner. I like to say it's me, but it's not. All right, so I will not be keeping this one, maybe for a little while. So what am I doing here? That's a trifold. Hello. Now this is where the second part is. We've got some cute tags here. You open this up. We've got that shallow pocket with a flap that also acts as your closure. You have another insert. This one is without the window and it's still super cute. Room for some more photos and goodies, some journaling if you want to journal. It's entirely up to you, but super, super adorable and fabulous. I love this. Love, love, love. Now here in the center, again, we've got that tag which helps to keep everything in place. This flips down, this flips up, and it reveals that see-through pocket right there. Okay, so you've got the see-through pocket, flip up, flip down, fabulous. And there's your closure. On this side is exactly the same as the other side, but you know, you got some more room. So another one of those fantastic little inserts. Well, let's open it up just in case if it's different. Let's take a look. It is the same, but still nonetheless fabulous. All right, so let's put this right in here. Halloween, my friends. How much do we love Halloween? I know there are many of you who do not celebrate Halloween, but you can make this in any theme. Seriously, I'm already thinking about making it myself in a baby theme. How cute on at the very top with some booties and a rattle and all sorts of cute things. I think it would be adorable as a baby project, a Christmas project. Jane is making a Christmas version, guys, so look out for that. I'm sure you will all love it. Oh my God, Siri scared the crap out of me. Oh my God. I don't know if you saw me flinch there, but she scared me. All right, so we've got another trifold here. Really cute. Lots of room for pictures. I love the separation of, well, not the separation, the different size of photo mats. I really love that look. It looks fantastic, so really cute. And then this opens up again for another one of those fabulous little folio areas with the same envelope, different closure, photo mats on the envelope, which is fantastic, or the deconstructed flap on the envelope, right? Look at that. So room for lots of goodies. Let's tie this back up so Jane will not say that I messed up her project. She said I didn't take care of her project. All right, so here we go. And then another trifold here. I'm screwing this up, aren't I? Oh, no. Another trifold here. I'm not screwing it up. And then over here. How fabulous. And then we've got, again, the same flip up with the window. Another fabulous insert, pocket. Just darling, guys. Really simple to make. You're going to make this like this, especially if you've done my projects in the past, Janice's projects in the past. Super simple to do. I promise. I definitely screwed this up somehow, somewhere. Jane, I promise I will fix it. I will figure it out. And just darling. I love it. It's got a really good spine, guys. So I don't know how many pictures you can get in here, but it's got roughly a 2-inch spine. The album is a great size as well. It's 7 3/4 by 5 inches. So you can definitely get your 4 by 6s in here. And cropped version of a 5 by 7 for sure. But lots and lots of room for this darling, darling album. You close it up with this string here, and if you do a little tighter, you can wrap that key around there, and voila, gorgeous. Happy Halloween, guys. Scary stories in the shop. Look for the tutorial. Usually when I present a brand new project, it's at a sale price, so you want to check that out. Think about other themes that you can make with these gorgeous stacked books here, or faux stacked books, right? And leave me a comment down below. Tell me what ideas come to mind when you're thinking about this project here. What do you see other than Halloween? So I'll link you down below to the tutorial. Have fun making this. When you do, be sure to post it to the fan page. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon and Miss Janice. Thank you for another wonderful collaboration project. It's marvelous, darling. Marvelous. I love it. I'll see you all soon.